After documenting all the information related to your framework, you will need to create a program or set of programs to cover fully or partially the training required to address the identified competencies. To manage programs, click on the Programs menu after logging in. To create a new program, simply click on the plus sign in the left menu title bar. A new empty program will be created. To start editing the program information, click on the pen icon and fill in program-related information. Information includes program name and description, the program level, or academic level, in addition to audience information, like background knowledge, math and tech comfort level, and preferred delivery format. Users can provide stakeholders' contact information. Simply click on the small plus sign and a new contact will be added. You can edit the information using the pen icon on the added item. Edit the contact information in addition to power influence mapping information, then save the contact. You can add the related frameworks that will be partially or fully covered by this program. You need also to add the courses that this program is using, which might not be available at this stage if you have not already created the courses. But you can add those back at any time after creating the courses. Here I have a few test courses. I will add those to and program courses. After saving program information, you can access the details for some items by hovering over the item itself. Like hovering over stakeholders' contact information to see the details, or hovering any of the program-related frameworks to preview its description. As for the courses, you can see the code and the title for the program-related courses. To see more information about the course description, click on the Expand button under the course title. You can always print the information for specific programs by clicking the Print button at the top right corner, or through the Reports menu if you want a more tabular view of the information, as we will see later in the Report menu tutorial. That's all for this tutorial. Check out our other tutorials to learn more about the rest of the functionalities. Thank you for listening.